In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a PNC credit card. If you're considering a new credit card and have PNC Bank in mind, then you're in the right place. We'll walk through the online application process step by step. First, open your internet browser and visit the PNC website by typing www.pnc.com into the address bar. Once you're there, look for the menu at the top of the page. You'll want to hover over or click on the Personal tab. This will give you a drop-down menu where you need to find the credit cards option located under the Borrow or Banking section. Clicking on credit cards will take you to a page where all the PNC credit card options are available for you to review. Now, it's time to take a closer look at the different credit cards PNC offers. This is an important step, as each card has its own benefits and features tailored to different financial needs. Spend some time comparing the cards, whether you're interested in rewards, low interest, or any other specific features that meet your lifestyle. Once you've found the card that suits your needs best, look for the Apply Now button associated with that card. Clicking on this button will initiate the application process. After choosing the right card and clicking Apply Now, you'll be directed to the application form. Completing this form accurately is crucial, as it provides PNC with the information needed to assess your credit worthiness. You'll need to have a few details on hand, such as your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Additionally, you'll be prompted to provide your contact information, employment and income details, and housing status, including your monthly rent or mortgage. Once you've filled out the application form, take a moment to review your information thoroughly. Ensuring that everything is correct is important to avoid any delays in the application process. After verifying all your details, go ahead and submit your application. After submission, the next step is to wait for approval. PNC will process your application, which might take some time to review. They'll get back to you with their decision as soon as they can. But what if you prefer a different approach? PNC also offers other ways to apply for a credit card. You can call their customer service at 1-888 PNC Bank, where a representative can assist you with the application over the phone. Alternatively, if you prefer face-to-face interactions, you can visit a local PNC branch and apply in person with the help of a branch representative. That wraps up our guide to applying for a PNC credit card. Whether you go for the online option or choose to apply by phone or in person, you're now equipped with the knowledge you need to get started. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our instructional videos for additional financial tips.